Hi, today we are discussing 4th class IIT Maths Mensuration part 6. In the previous videos, we discussed perimeter. Now, in this video, we discuss area. What is area? The amount of surface of the plane covered by a closed figure is called its area. What is that? The amount of surface of the plane covered by a closed figure is called its area. The term area refers to the measure of the total interior region. Measure of the total interior region. This is important, we need to consider. So, what is area? Now, just we think as it's a plane. It's plane. Now, I am drawing one closed figure. I am just drawing one closed figure. Now, what is the area means? This closed figure, what is it is doing? It is this closed figure covered. This closed figure covered the space. This place is called area. How much this closed figure covered? This one is called area. Now, if we draw a circle, now the area covered by this circle, this is called area of this circle. Area of this circle. This one is area of this figure. If we draw a rectangle, and if it is the rectangle, what it is covered the place? This place is called area of this rectangle. Area of rectangle. How much place it is covering? That much place is called area. So, for this area, we have formula. Now, let us see the formula. Formula. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth, square units. Here, point out this one. Not units, square units. For area, square units. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth, square units. Did you remember? Perimeter 2 into L plus B for area. For area, length into breadth. Next, area of square equals to side into side, square units. Area of square equals to side into side. Next, length of a rectangle equals to area by breadth units. Here, for length, units. Area, square units. Area, square units. Whenever area, we calculate area, we need to give square units. For length, breadth, perimeter, just units. So, length of a rectangle formula, area by breadth. Breadth of a rectangle, area by length, units. Now, we do few problems. Now, we solve the problem. What is the problem given? The area of a rectangle of length 2 centimeters and breadth 1 centimeter is. The area of rectangle, what is, we need to find out. So, what is the area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth. First, we write down the formula. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Length into breadth, square units. So, in the problem they have given length 2 centimeters. This length is 2 centimeters, breadth 1 centimeter. So, length equals to 2 centimeters, breadth equals to 1 centimeter. Therefore, area of given rectangle equals to length. What is length? 2 centimeter into breadth 1 centimeter. That equals to 2 into 1 centimeter into centimeter square, centimeter square. That equals to 2 into 1 2 centimeter square. This is area of the given rectangle, 2 centimeters. Which option is the correct one? Option B. Option B is the correct one, 2 centimeters. Now we solve this problem. The area of square with side 1 centimeter. What is the formula for area of square? Area of square equals to side into side square units. So, side what they have given? 1 centimeter. So, side equals to, given side equals to 1 centimeter. Therefore, area of given square equals to side into side. What is the side? 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. That equals to 1 into 1 centimeter square. 1 into 1, 1 centimeter square. This is the area of given square. So, which option is the one correct one? Option A is the 1 centimeter square is the correct answer. Now we solve this problem. What is this problem? The area of a rectangular sheet of paper is 20 centimeter square. Its length is 5 centimeter. Find its breadth. So, what they have given? Area of, they have given that area. This area they have given 20 centimeter square and length 5 centimeter. We need to find out this value. Given that area of rectangular sheet of paper, rectangular sheet of paper equals to 20 centimeter square. Area they have given and length equals to 5 centimeter. We need to find out width or breadth, both are same. So in the formula we know that width equals to area by length. So area 20 centimeter square by 5 centimeter. That equals to 20 by 5. 5 fours 20. Done. So 4 centimeter square by centimeter equals to centimeter. So the width equals to 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Which option is the correct one? Option D is correct one. Now we solve this problem. What is the problem given? The area of the figure is, we need to find out the area of this figure. Is this in the square shape? Is this in the rectangular shape? No, it is a bit different. But from this figure we get the squares or rectangle, whatever we get. After that we calculate the area. So how to get? For that we just do partitions. How? I just draw a perpendicular line to this one. So perpendicular line means opposite to this one and same length, as it is perpendicular to this, as it is 1, the unit of this one also 1. And again I am drawing one perpendicular line to this, and this one also 1 unit, and I am drawing a one perpendicular line to this one. This is also becomes 1 unit, and here also a perpendicular line to this one, this becomes 1 unit. Now if we observe here, we are finding squares. This is a, 1 square a, this is 1 square b, this one 1 square, this one is a b, and this one is, we just take the names as we can to identify separately. This is 1 square box d, and this is also 1 square box e. We just name it as a b c d e. Now as these are looking squares, we can easily find out the area of each box. First I write the formula. Area of a square equals to side into side. So first I take the box A. Area of square A. I am taking the area of this square. What is this? Here all sides are 1, 1, 1. So 1 into 1, that equals to 1 square unit. Now I am doing calculation of area of square B. This is also 4 sides equal, that is 1 unit. The side length of the side is 1 unit. So 1 into 1, the same 1 square unit. Again A done, B done. Area of square C. What is the length of the side of the square C? 1, 1, 1, 1, same. So 1 into 1, 1 square unit. In the same way, area of D also 1, E also 1. So we just write down area of square D equals to 1 into 1, 1 square unit. Area of square E equals to 1 into 1, 1 square unit. But we want the area of this complete shape. How we get this area? If we add all these areas, the total becomes the area of this complete shape. So therefore total area of given figure, I take it as point 1, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point. Figure equals to what we have to do to get the total area? We have to add all areas, all squares. That is 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus all are 1 only, equals to 5. As this is area, we have to give the unit as square units. So the answer is 5 square units. Which option is the correct one? Option B. Now we solve this problem. What is the problem? The area of the given figure in square units is. Now we have to find out the area of this shape. So first it is not a, by looking it is not a square or rectangle. First we need to do partitions so that it becomes some rectangle or square, whatever it may be. Let us see. So here I am just doing one partition. Now this one is one rectangular, and this one is also one rectangle. It is clear. Now two rectangles are there. From the, as we know the area of the rectangle formula, we calculate. First we need to write down the formula. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. So here this is here, these are not rectangles, squares, these are clearly rectangles. I am taking this one as A and this one as B. So first I write down the area of rectangle A. For this length, how much? Here this one is the rectangle. So just don't ignore this one. Just look at these two values. It is perfect rectangle here, and the length is 2, breadth is 1. Here length is 2, breadth is 1. Since length of A equals to 2, breadth of A equals to 1. So 2 into 1, how much? 2. As this is area, I have to give the units as square units. Take this one as 0.1. Now we go to the area of rectangle B. First we just close this figure, and this is clearly looking like rectangle, and the length is 3 and breadth equals to 1. 3, 1. So length of rectangle B equals to 3 and breadth of rectangle B equals to 1 unit. This is unit. Therefore, area of rectangle B equals to length into breadth, that is 3 into 1, that equals to 3 units. This is second point. So we need to find out the area of this complete figure. So to get the complete area of this figure, how can we get? If we add this area plus this area, we get the total area of this figure. So therefore, total area of the given figure equals to first point and plus second point, that is 2 plus 3, that equals to 5. As this is area, we need to write down square units. Therefore, the area of the given figure is 5. Option B is the correct one. Here, a small point I want to tell. Here, just don't get confusion of these three values. Here, even though this is looking like 3, as we are doing partition here, in this 3, one part has left. So, this is this much length becomes 3 minus 1. So, it becomes 2 only. So, this is 2. And here, as this is looking like 2, we add this small portion. How much this small portion? 1. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So just get a clarity about these partitions. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos.